Welcome to the ASMR Help Desk. How may I help you today? Yes, this is our special tax filing line. The deadline was extended, so you still have a couple of days to file your taxes. That is correct. The filing date is May 17th this year. Now, let me check. Could I get your name? Could you spell your last name for me? Okay. And have you started filing? You have not. Okay. Alright, this is gonna take just a little bit. Do you have time to sit with me today and go over your information? You do? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to need some information. I see that you filed with us previously. Excellent. Awesome. Okay, so that means that I just need to get some information off you to verify your identity. So can you tell me your address? Okay. Can you tell me the last four of your social? And finally, do you happen to have your last year's taxes in front of you? You do. Excellent. Can you tell me your AGI for last year? Oh, I'm sorry. Your adjusted gross income. Okay. Excellent. All right. Now, okay, I'm just going to briefly ask to verify. Now we've verified your address. How did you file last year? Okay, that matches. Are you going to be filing the same this year? Okay, excellent. Yes, you can always call back with information that may be missing. Okay, and your birth date? Oh, my birthday's 2 days before yours. Okay, and your occupation? Okay, I see. And your state of residence? Will you be filing your state taxes with us? Okay. Okay, do you have any dependents? Okay, has your dependent information changed since last year? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, all of that information checks out. So we're going to go to the next step. This is where we get to add all our information. So do you have your W-2s in front of you? Do you have more than one? Okay, just one. Excellent. Okay. So I'm going to need the information from the box B. Okay. And this is a W-2 for you, correct? I have to ask. Yes. Okay, can you tell me, box C, what is your employer name? Okay, is there anything in the line too? Okay. Okay, and this is a United States address. Okay. And the address. Okay, and the zip code. Okay. Is there anything in box D? Okay. Does the information in the employee information section, boxes E and F, do they match what we have on file? What we've already discussed? Okay. Excellent. Okay, this is the fun part. In box 1, what is your annual income? Your wages, tips, and other compensation. Okay. Box 2, what is your federal income tax withheld? Box 3, what is your Social Security wages? Now box 4, your Social Security tax withheld. Box 5, Medicare wages and tips. Yes, this usually is the same as the Social Security one. Box 6, Medicare tax withheld. Okay. Okay, that all checks out. Now we're going to move to the less common. Box 7, anything? Okay. Box 8. Okay. Box 10. Yeah. Yeah, we skip it. Dependent care benefits. Okay. Box 11. Non-qualified plans. Okay. Now we get into the slightly more complicated box, the box 12A through 12D. Do you have any codes within those? There'll usually be a letter. Okay. Got that. And that. And that. Okay. Now what are the amounts for those? Third one. Okay. Now is anything selected for box 13? Okay. What about box 14? Anything? Okay, what about your state taxes? Oh, you said that we're going to skip state. Oh, excuse me. Okay, yeah, we can skip state for now, and we can come back to that later. And I do want to note, if we do not cover it today, you only have a couple of days, so just be mindful. Excellent, okay. All right. All right, looks like we're on track for a refund. Okay, so I have to ask these questions. So do you have anything like a non-standard W-2 is there a W-2 you should have received that you didn't? Unreported tips, paid family leave? Did you work outside the U.S.? Religious employment? Have you been an inmate or lived in a halfway house? Okay. Okay, so just to confirm, none of those apply to you. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so let's go. That's enough for your income, so let's go to your deductions. Okay, let's see. Did you have any charitable donations for this year? Okay. Did you want to claim any registration fees or anything like that with your vehicle? Okay. What about education? Do you have any education-related expenses from this past year? Okay. Did you have any retirement or investments outside of what we've already discussed from your W-2? Okay. Do you have any employment expenses? So, gas for business trips, that sort of thing. Okay. Did you have any moving expenses? Okay. Okay, that does wrap up your tax breaks. Okay, so you mentioned that you had some employment deductions for supplies. Can you give me a description in the amount? Okay. Well, since we're not doing state today, we've actually covered everything pretty quickly. That's fantastic. I am showing you're getting a federal refund. Your state refund may differ. I'm not totally sure. We would have to go over that in detail. Are you sure you don't want to cover the state information right now? No, okay. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to send you an email with all of the relevant information in an attachment. What I'll need you to do is review that information and then log into our website to sign the documents, which will then be filed electronically. This information will also include your refund amount, and we'll have all of the forms that I just filled out for you. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to give us a call back, and I'll be happy to walk you through or talk you through any parts of your forms. Yep, it's that simple. All right. And the email has, hold on, let me got everything. Now let me put in your email address. All right, so that pretty much covers everything. Do you have any questions before I let you go? All right. Well, thank you so much for calling, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. This show is part of the CIP network, where we inspire creativity one episode at a time.